Dude Sorda, ito ang Bisdak Ko. I'm sharing to you my journey, how it is living with a heart failure, dilated cardiomyopathy, heart condition na in advanced stage. Hindi lang yan, mayroon din tayong osteoporosis. Bago lang nalaman last month during the screening test ng ating mock lab test, and nakita ng rheumatologist na mayroon tayong osteoporosis. So, gagamutin ng, of course, it's vitamins, doctors prescribed vitamin D. Doctors prescribe vitamin D na I have to take every 7 days, 25 drops. Well, from the word osteoporosis, sakit ng buto, naging weak yung ating buto. So, ayun, vitamin D is a big help. Kaya, for those wala pa, have your sunshine. Ayan, sabi ng pharmacist, pwede ko daw i-ano sa tinapay. So, ilagay natin sa tinapay 25 drops. 1, 2, tulungan nyo ako, 3, 4, 5, sige nga, count 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, dandahan lang. Ano ba yun? 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 20, wala na, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Ayun, balik natin yung sobra. It's an oil-like taste, an olive taste. Kaya imbis, pwede rin naman sana sa teaspoon, pero yan ko na lang sa tinapay, ano. Indeed, it's like an oil. Vitamin D3. So, every 7 days lang siya na medication as prescribed by my rheumatologist, by my doctor. Kasi hindi naman daw pala ibig sabihin na it's a vitamin, pero careless or anytime, any line natin iinumin. May mga cases that, like me, na kailangan periodic up to a certain period of time. Kaya by next, magpa-laboratory test ulit. Well, aside from this, meron din isa. It's more on the calcium. And every 7 days din yun. No? Early in the morning, with empty stomach, I have to, how do you call it? I have to sit, not lying down, pag inaano ko ang calcium na yan. I just say calcium, pero mayroong ibang term na nilagay doon. The scientific one is medyo mahirap banggitin. So, yan, dalawa yung aking prescribed medication para sa aking osteoporosis. Teka muna, nabaliktad. We'll do like this. Okay. Para lang ma-keep properly yung ating ayun, at least. So, every Friday, for the meantime, ang ginawa ko, every Friday, sinulatan ko dyan para hindi tayo malito. Every Friday yan siya, 25 drops of vitamin D3. The name of the brand, hindi ko na lang sasabihin, but this is 10,000 UI per millimeter. So, wag na nating pahirapan anong ibig sabihin nun, basta yun na yun. So, yan ang aking gamutan ng aking osteoporosis. Actually, that is part of the screening test ng aking heart transplant. So, I hope everything will be fine. The medications will have an effect. And, of course, with your prayers. Daghang salamat, maraming salamat. Thank you very much for those who are praying for me and also for those helping me morally and financially. Diyos mabalos, thank you so much for your help. So, just see the link below for those who want to send their financial help through my GoFundMe campaign. And also, I have there the PayPal account. And by supporting my Bisdak Ko channel is already a big help. Diyos mabalos.